Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the newly arrived items in the Outnet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Just In button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, you can select if you want to search for men clothing or women clothing in the Just In section. And once you set it and start scrolling down, you will be able to see all the products that were added recently. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.